What's up, people? I thought I'd shoot this video showing the modification to my Grizzly grinder 2x72. Some guys have them, some guys use them. I was told not to buy one, save my money and buy something better. I can definitely see why. If you really want to do detailed grinding on knives, it's not the grinder to have. So this is what led me to do what I did. There's a lot of guys out there that make these grinders out of tubing and whatnot. So what I thought I'd do is utilize my Grizzly and add on to it. So this is what you have. I'm taking the grinder side of it, slid the top half out, and I mounted a piece of 2x2 angle iron to the existing plate and bolt holes. Then I welded a piece of 1.5" 14 gauge tube into that. You can see the uprights. It's out of a 1 inch, 1/4 inch flat stock with another piece of 1.5" 14 gauge tubing for the tracking arm. Hand made the tracking mechanism up top. It's real similar to what Fear Grinders uses. And out front you've got a telescopic piece that's of 1.25" by 1.25" 11 gauge. So what you have there is now, instead of just a 2-pulley grinder, you have 4. I got the pulleys off of eBay, $140, about $40 in steel, a bunch of miscellaneous bolts, and you have a full functioning 2x72 grinder with a plate and a tool rest, all adjustable. Way better than what it come out of the manufacturer with for just a little bit of money. Turn it on, we'll check it out. As you can see, all the tracking straight. Still quite smooth. Got a piece of scrap iron here that I'm making a knife blank out of. No problem. Grinds like it's supposed to. Tell me what you think. If you like the video, let me know.